Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to present you the special Android project designed by me. So actually I developed this project. So actually this is a to-do app. So this is a basic to-do app. So I will show you how this app works. So if you need, you can download this project by following the link mentioned in the video description. So basically this is how it shows when you open the app. So I have run this app Android emulator. So I'll show you how it works. Now this is the opening window. So it shows some features with this app. So at the very first time, you can see this kind of window when you run the app. Now I clicked on the get started. So now it is like that. So actually this mainly keep records about your day-to-day activities, and also you can schedule your tasks efficiently. So this is very smart app, and you can practically use this app for your day-to-day activities. So here I will explain you how to operate this app. So if you want to add a new task, what you should do is you need to click on this plus icon. Then you need to give a title for your task. So I'll give you a sample entry. Yes, now here I gave a task title. So here you need to give a description. Yeah, I add a small description for testing purpose. Then you need to schedule the due date. So here you have a calendar control. In there you can add specific date for your task. So just say 7th, then press OK. So then you need to arrange a time. So here just say 3 o'clock. Yeah, so you can set your time like this and press OK. Now here you need to set priority level. So there are 3 options: high, medium and low. So you can select one of them like this. Then category. So we have 5 categories here: work, personal, shopping, health and other. So there you need to select appropriate category. So here I select personal. So once you fill all the details, you need to click on the save task. Then your added task shown like this. So you can add many tasks by pressing this plus icon. And also if you go to this button, task button, you can see all the tasks added by you. Then here by using this search task, you can search any task. So this here under the all tab, it shows all the tasks. So if you click today, then it shows you the today's task, and this week completed, overdue, likewise. Okay, you can filter and clearly show the task according to the time period, right? Now here you can see calendar option. So and also add calendar schedules. Here I early added task for July 7th. So you can see a small red dot there. Then you can clearly identify the specific dates that we have added tasks. And here is the final one, the settings tab. So there you can change the color theme of your app, and you can use dark mode. You can use dark mode if you like, and notification reminders are available, and also pre-reminder delay is there under the settings tab. So that is how my newly created TaskFlow app works. So if you need this app and the source files, please go to the video description. So there you can find a link to download the source code and the .apk file for this application. I think this project will help you to expand your knowledge, and also you can develop this project further, and you can make advanced project based on this one. So that is why I shared this video with you. And also don't forget to subscribe my Robert YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So that is it for today. So let's meet with another video like this. Thank you very much.